Yes, friends, today I'm taking this is further discussion or continued discussion. I have written down here questions based on quadrilaterals, further discussion. Let me write here further discussion or continuation, further discussion on quadrilaterals. Now, these questions have taken some extra questions because some of the students have asked me these questions. So I've taken some bit information which is used here. I'll just share with you. So that kind of questions I've taken here. Okay, so these questions are also increasing or enlarging the knowledge of the people who are studying this topic. Okay, so because of that, for the completion point of view, I have taken these questions because some of the completions are giving these kind of questions. So let me take these. They are also based on area parameters of the quadrilaterals. So all the quadrilaterals formula I have already discussed about what the formula for 7 type of quadrilaterals. Any quadrilateral, trapezium, rhombus, sphere, rectangle, okay, and then parallelogram, etc. So all those I have already discussed in the beginning of lecture series 5. Now this is lecture series 6. Okay, so let me take now questions one by one. First question says, find the surface of a piece of metal which is in the form of a parallelogram. Okay, the surface area means we have to find out the area of this surface, the base of which is 10 centimeter and the height is 6.4 centimeter. What is the area? The surface area or surface. And the surface area, question number 1. What is given to us? We are given here length is length of which the base length, okay, metal in the form of a parallelogram, the base of which is 10 centimeter and the height, this is height and here it is a parallelogram form, the metal piece, the surface of a piece of metal which is in the form of this. So we can say either length or breadth, or it says breadth and base and height, doesn't matter, because area we have to find out. So this is, let me take what is given to us, the base of which is 10 centimeter, the length of a base, okay, the base, length of the base, we can say length of the base, let me write here, of the metal piece, of the metal piece, okay, in the form of a parallelogram, in the form of a parallelogram is how much? 10 centimeter. This is the breadth, we can say, or base, equal to 10 centimeter. We are given here 10 centimeter, okay, and height. So here also it is two-dimensional figure because height we can take as the breadth or base as the length. So that is also there, and the height of the metal piece is equal to 6.4 centimeter. Okay, just like it's a parallelogram form. Now this is the height. Okay, now base, let me take ABCD, the parallelogram. This is the metal piece which is in the form of a parallelogram, in which the base length is 10 centimeter. The base is 10 centimeter, and the height is h equal to 6.4 centimeter. So in a parallelogram, if base and height are given, then we can find out the area. Therefore, the area of the surface of this metal piece. Okay, solution here. Therefore, area of a parallelogram in the form of, okay, metal. Area of a parallelogram in the form of metal or made of metal, we may say in the metal form, is equal to base into height, equal to base into height, square centimeter. This will give us 10 into 6.4 centimeter square. It will give us 64 square centimeter or centimeter square. Square centimeter. This is the answer here. Okay, so simply area of a parallelogram. Just that formula we have used here. So it's not a very difficult one. Okay, so this is of metal type, but questions have been asked in some of the exams because the students have asked or reported me this question and what is given here. So this is just simply a parallelogram, not a very difficult task. Next question, second one. Question second says, find the area of a rhombus. To find the area of a rhombus let me take the rhombus of a rhombus. To find the area of a rhombus, one diagonal of which measures 8 centimeter and the other one measures 10 centimeter. The diagonals are, let me take the diagonals of which are d1 length is 10 centimeter or what? One diagonal is 8 centimeter and d2 is length of d2, second diagonal is 10 centimeter. Now what is area of a rhombus? Now we know that what is area of a rhombus. Solution. Now rhombus is a form of a square in which all sides are equal but diagonals are not equal. If diagonals bisect each other at right angle, there is no doubt about this. This is suppose D1, this is O middle point or the central point of this rhombus, and this diagonal D1, let me take D1, this is D1 and this is middle point, so this is D1 by 2 length, this is D1 by 2, this is D2 by 2 and this is also D2 by 2. Okay, so A, B, C, D. Okay, D1, if I take this, no problem, any D1, D2. So this D1 by 2, this is D2 by 2. Now what is the area? Now all these triangles are equal in areas. Every triangle is equivalent. So if I find area of one triangle and multiply this by 4, so area of this rhombus, area of the rhombus given, of the rhombus, we know that this is half d1 into d2 equal to half d1 into d2. We know this. Since area of the rhombus, area of a rhombus, let me take, is general formula, spheres unit, or we can find area 4 into area of one triangle, area of one triangle, AOD, let me take, or AOB, let me take, AOB. What is area of a triangle? This is a half base into height. If I take this as the base, d2 by 2, base into height of a triangle. Area of a triangle is this 4 into 1.2 into base is d2 by 2, let me take d2 by 2 into, this is right angle, which is a right angle triangle. So half base into perpendicular or height, perpendicular is d1 by 2. Let me take d1 by 2. So this is, we see 2 plus 4 and 4 cancel out. So half d1 into d2. This is the basic formula for area of a. Now this is in centimeters here, centimeters. So centimeters. This is centimeter square. So put the value of d1 and d2. Now d1 is 8 centimeter. So half 8 into 10. This is 2 4 8, 40 square centimeter. This is the answer here. What is area of a rhombus? This is half d1 into d2. That's the basic formula which we have applied here, and we have proved also that this is the same formula. This is the answer of question number 2. Let's now talk about question number 3. Now question number 3. Now it says that find the distance between the two parallel sides of the trapezium. If the area of the trapezium is this square meters and the two parallel sides are equal to 15 centimeter, meter and 10 meter respectively in meters. Okay, area is given. So what is to find? To find distance between two parallel sides of a trapezium. This is required. What is given to us? Given to us area of the trapezium given. Area of the trapezium, which is how much? We are given 250 square meter. This is given to us. And the two parallel sides, length of the parallel sides. Length of the two parallel sides. Why? Because in a trapezium, one pair of parallel sides is parallel but not equal. Parallel sides pair, a length of them are given. So what is that? Parallel sides. Length of the two parallel sides or lengths of the two parallel sides are, what are those? Okay, this is given 15 meter and 10 meter. So 15 meter and 10 meter respectively. What we have to find out here, distance between the two parallel sides. What is the trapezium? Let me draw. This is the trapezium here. Suppose trapezium is this. Now these are the two parallel sides. This parallel side, this parallel side. Now distance or between them is a perpendicular drawn from them. This is height h. Let me take. Same height is this. Area of a triangle trapezium is, if we find, then it will give us the area of these two triangles which are formed. Area of this triangle plus area of this triangle. In this case, we will take base. AB is the base, CD is the base. Okay. For first triangle, AB is the base. Height is same, because if I draw perpendicular from C also, that is the same height h. So altitude of the triangle will be the same h. Okay, so this triangle's height is this, and this triangle's height is this. Same thing. Or if I draw perpendicular from A, okay, this is the height of this triangle, and let me take to find the height of the base from the base this CD. So this is the height h. Okay, so this can be now calculated. This is A point, this is suppose E point, and this is F point here. Okay, area of these two triangles will give us area of the whole parallelogram. But we know that what is the area of the trapezium. What is the area of a trapezium? Area of a trapezium is half sum of the length of the parallel sides into distance between them. Distance between them is not given to us. Okay, so solution, let me find. Now here I am just reminding the formula also. I am writing the formula also. So area of a trapezium. Area of a trapezium. Area of a trapezium is equal to half sum of the length of the parallel sides, sum of the length of the parallel sides, of the lengths of parallel sides into distance between them into distance between them. This is the basic formula of a trapezium. What is the basic formula of a trapezium? This is area of a trapezium is a half sum of the pairs, half into multiplication sum of the length of the pair sides into distance between them. Distance means height between them, or distance altitude between the two. So that is a perpendicular distance between the two pair sides. Is the perpendicular distance is the smallest distance, shortest distance, we may say, not the smallest, shortest distance. The shortest distance is h here. Now, what area is given to us? Area is 250. If I write here 250 is equal to, area is given 250. So area is here 250 equal to, now half sum of the length of the pair sides is 15 meter plus 10 meter in bracket into distance between them. Let me take this as h, as we have seen here. Okay, so this will give us 15 plus 10 is 25, 25 upon 2 into h equal to 250. 250, or this is 10 to 20. This implies that h equal to 250 into 2 upon 25. Try to understand. 25 will come in the denominator, will be cross multiply, and 2 will multiply to 250. So this is 25 10 times. This is 20 centimeter. Distance between these two parallel sides is 20 centimeter. Now, if I add the areas of these two triangles, that will also give the same area of the trapezium. How? Area of this triangle ABC is half base AB into height h, half AB into h, plus area of this triangle. If I take CD as the base, then this also will give us the height is h, because from vertex A we have drawn perpendicular to the base CD, which is this h here. So half CD into h. Now take half h common. So half into h common. Remaining values are AB plus CD. AB plus CD, length of AB and CD are given here in bracket. We have taken here. This is the area of a trapezium. Now substitute the known values and find the unknown value. The unknown value is h here, distance between these two parallel sides. So this is the answer here. Distance between the two parallel sides is 20 centimeter. Alright. This is question number 3. Let us talk about question number 4 now. So these questions are based on area simply, and in the previous lecture series, I mean 5th one, we talked about the basics again for the discussion. What is the angle, length, okay, and some basic qualities of, or basic properties of quadrilaterals that we discussed in the previous lecture series. Now we are taking area, perimeters, etc. Now question number 4, let me solve. Question number 4 says find the area of a rhombus, one side of which measures 20 centimeter and one diagonal 24 centimeter. Okay, this is to find the area. What we will find out here, to find area of a rhombus. This is required thing. Second, what is given to us, we always write the given and this solution, then we will find out. Secondly, what is given to us, we are given here that one side, and the area of a rhombus, one side of which measures 20 centimeter. One side means, because in a rhombus all sides are equal. Side is, you can say side equal to 20 centimeter. One diagonal, or length of one diagonal, length of one diagonal is equal to how much? 24 centimeter. 24 centimeter, the length of one diagonal, and one diagonal length is 24 centimeter. Then what is the area? Okay, so if I draw, let me draw the rhombus here. Now we know that what is the rhombus? In rhombus, diagonals bisect each other. At right angle, diagonals are not equal, but all sides are equal. This is just like a square, but a square is having equal diagonals. In this case, the diagonals are not equal. Suppose this is ABCD. If I take this is D1, diagonal AC is D1, this will be D1 by 2, this is also D1 by 2. O is the intersecting point of these two diagonals. And this is A side is 20 centimeter. One diagonal length, suppose this is D2 by 2 and this is D2 by 2. D2 diagonal half, because O divides, this is bisecting each other. Diagonals are bisecting each other at right angle. This right angle is there. Sorry. This is the right angle here at point O. So in each right angle triangle, we know that what is area, half D1 into D2 area is. But for that, if side is given, D2 is not given. We have to first find out what is D2. D1, let me take 24 centimeter. D1 is given 24 centimeter. D2 we have to calculate. So D2 by 12 is, D2 by 2 is 24 by 2, that means 12 centimeter. So D1 is equal to 24 or D1 by 2 is equal to 12 centimeter. Okay, so D2 we have to find out. Find D2. To find area of a rhombus, we have to find out. Question number 4. Find the area of a rhombus. Okay. So no, not requirement of second diagonal. Not asked, but we have to find out diagonal, second diagonal. Only then we can find area. Otherwise, area of this triangle can be calculated. If I take this 12 and this A is 20 centimeter, okay, then also we can calculate area with the help of a right angle triangle. So with the help of right angle triangle, we can find out what is the second diagonal. Okay, second diagonal in right angle triangle, let me get in right angled triangle A, let me take AOB. This is 20 centimeter. A is side, because each side is 20 centimeters. Sides are equal of a rhombus. That is not a big discussion. Now 20 centimeter, each side is there. Alright. Now we have to find out what is this one of the diagonal D2 by 2. Let me take. So here this side D2 by 2 square, D2 by 2 whole square plus D1 by 2 whole square, D1 by 2 sorry. D1 by 2 whole square is equal to AB square. Is equal to AB square. Or we could say here that AB square is equal to, this AB square is equal to OB square plus OA square. Okay, now substitute the values. AB is 20 centimeter equal to OB. OB is not given, so this is D2 by 2 whole square plus this is D1 by 2 means 12 square. So 20 square minus 12 square is equal to D2 by 2 whole square. Let me write it here. So this D2 by 2 whole square we have to find out. D2 by 2 sorry. D2 by 2 whole square is equal to AB square. This means 20 square minus 12 square. That means 400 minus 144. Or we could do in shortcut manner that 12 plus 20 in one bracket, in another bracket is 20 minus 12, A plus B, A minus B. So 20 plus 12, that means 20 plus 12 is 32, into 20 minus 12 is 8. This will be the area. What is that area? 8 to just 16, 6 1 carry, 8 here 24, 1 25, 256. Okay, your difference 10 minus 4 is 6, 1 carry 5, 10 minus 5, 5 is 5, 1 carry forward. This is 3 minus 1 or 4 minus 2. It is 2, 256. So therefore D1 by 2, right one is D1 by 2 whole square is equal to 256, equal to 256, which is nothing but 16 whole square. Therefore D2 by 2 is equal to 16 or D2 is equal to 32 centimeters. So D2 means the second diagonal, length of the second diagonal is 32 centimeter, double of the 16, okay, twice of 16. D2 is equal to 2 into 16, that means 32 centimeter. So other diagonal is this. Now what is the area? Now basic quantity is area. Therefore area is, we know that area, therefore area of the rhombus, basic quantity is what is the area? Area of the rhombus, therefore is equal to, we know this is half d1 into d2. So half d1, 24 b2, this is 24 into d2, we have taken 32. So 2 into 12, 2 into 24 divided by 2, 2 1 is 2, 2 is 12 times 24 is cancelled out by 2. Okay, so this is 12 into 32, 12 2 ja 24, 2 to carry 20, 12 to 24, 4 to carry 20, 12 3 ja 36. Okay. 36 plus 2, 38. 12 3 36 plus 2, for 12 to 24, 4 to carry 2 is added in 36, that is 38. So this is 384 square centimeter. Answer. This is area of this rhombus. 384 square centimeter area of the rhombus here. Okay. Let us take now question number 5. Now what does question number 5 say? Let me check that. Question number 5. Okay, so these questions are just based on area, perimeter, etc. Because in the previous lecture series we didn't mostly took the questions based on areas and perimeters. That's why I've taken these questions and a bit different type of questions. These questions are also, have also appeared in competitive examinations because the students have reported me this. Now come to the next, 5th question. Question number 5. The perimeter of a, what is given? The perimeter of the rhombus. Sorry, this is not parameter. Perimeter of the rhombus. Perimeter of the rhombus is 146 centimeter, and one of its diagonals is 55 centimeter. Find the area, find the other diagonal and the area of the rhombus. In this case, diagonal is also calculated. We calculated diagonal in the previous question, but in this case, it is given that find the diagonal also and area. Both the things we have to find out. Let me first clean the board. Yes, guys. Question number now 5. Okay, what is given to us? Let me first write it given. The perimeter of a rhombus. The perimeter of the rhombus, which is 146 centimeter or meter, centimeter. Okay, 146 centimeter, and one diagonal and length of one diagonal, Let me take that is D1 is equal to 55 centimeter. 55 centimeter. Okay, 55 centimeter. And the other diagonal and area to find. Second point is what? Find area and other diagonal. And the length of other diagonal or just diagonal, other diagonal. Okay, area and other diagonal. This we have to calculate. Solution. Now try to understand again a rhombus. Okay. Now in rhombus, sides are equal. So one side is not given. So all perimeters is given. This is A, B, C, D. So perimeter is sum of all the sides. Perimeter of a rhombus, we know, since perimeter of a rhombus, perimeter of a rhombus is nothing but 4 into side, just like a sphere, 4 into side, 4 into length of the side. So therefore each side is, therefore each side or side will be, each side is equal to, or length of side equal to perimeter upon 4. That is perimeter upon 4. Perimeter is 146 given to us, divided by 4. What is that? If I subtract by 2, by cancel out by 2, 2 to the 4, 2 7 and 2 3 so 73 by 2 is each side centimeter. So this is each side. Let me take this as A here. So each side A, or A is equal to this. So this is one of the sides. Alright. So now let me take this is 73 by 2. A is equal to. And what is perimeter here? 55 is diagonal D1. Let me take this is D1 by 2 and D1 by 2 because this is O middle point. Okay, right angle. Because every diagonal or diagonals of a rhombus bisect each other at right angle. This is right angle. They are bisect each other. Diagonals are not equal. But if diagonals are equal, then it will become a square. Because in a square, all sides are equal. In rhombus, also all sides are equal in length. But diagonals are not equal in rhombus. In a square, diagonals are equal. That's the point. Now comes the point. So this diagonal we have to find out first. So D2, this is D2 by 2 because this is middle point and this is also D2 by 2. Second diagonal, D2 by 2 we have to find out. Again by Pythagoras solve we can take right angle triangle. And now this is 55 by 2. So D1 by 2 is equal to, D1 is 55 here, therefore D1 by 2. So in right angled triangle AOB, we have, what do we have? By Pythagoras solve, AB